Have you ever considered becoming a real estate wholesaler but don't know where to start? Welcome to the fascinating world of real estate wholesaling, a strategy that allows you to secure a property under contract and then sell that contract to another buyer for a profit. Yes, you heard it right. You don't even need to purchase the property yourself. This strategy is a fantastic way to dive into the real estate market without the need for significant capital or credit. In this video, we'll break down the process into easy-to-understand steps. We'll explore everything from market research and lead generation to negotiation skills and contract essentials. We'll also touch on risk management, legal considerations, and how to close the deal. Whether you're a seasoned investor, a budding entrepreneur, or someone in a career transition, this video will provide the knowledge you need to start your wholesaling journey. Ready to dive into the world of real estate wholesaling? Let's get started. The first step to success in real estate wholesaling is market research and analysis. Now, you might be wondering, why is that so important? Well, diving into the world of real estate without understanding the lay of the land is like setting sail without a compass. Let's break it down. Market research is your compass. It helps you navigate the vast real estate sea. It involves studying local market conditions, housing trends, and economic indicators to pinpoint areas ripe for investment. Next, we have analysis. This is where you take your research and apply it to potential deals. You'll look at property values, repair costs, and potential resale value to determine if a deal is profitable. Think of it like this. Market research is your treasure map, and analysis is your key to the chest. Together, they ensure you're investing wisely and not just throwing money into the wind. Remember, informed decisions are always the best decisions. Once you've understood the market, it's time to generate leads and acquire potential properties. Now, you might be wondering, what's a lead? Simply put, a lead is a potential seller who might be interested in selling their property below the market value. In the realm of wholesaling, these sellers are your bread and butter. There are several ways to generate leads, and it's crucial to diversify your methods to reach a wider pool of potential sellers. One effective method is direct mail. This involves sending letters or postcards to homeowners, expressing your interest in purchasing their property. While it may seem old-fashioned, it's proven to be highly effective when done correctly. Another avenue to explore is online marketing. In today's digital age, the internet is a goldmine of potential leads. Websites like Craigslist, Zillow, or even social media platforms can be used to find sellers. With targeted ads and strategic SEO practices, you can reach homeowners who are looking to sell. Networking is also a key component of lead generation. By building relationships with real estate professionals, such as agents, brokers, and other investors, you can gain access to off-market deals and referrals. Attend local real estate events, join online forums, and become an active participant in your local real estate community. Now, on to acquisition. This is where you secure the property under a contract. It's important to remember that as a wholesaler, you're not actually buying the property. Instead, you're signing a purchase agreement with the seller with the intent to assign that contract to an end buyer. The price you negotiate with the seller in this agreement is your potential profit. To successfully acquire properties, you need to be responsive, build rapport with sellers, and present a win-win offer. And remember, it's not always about offering the highest price. Often, sellers value speed, certainty, and convenience over a slightly higher offer. Lead generation is the backbone of your wholesaling business. It's where your profits are made. So invest time in creating a solid lead generation strategy, and you'll be well on your way to success in the world of real estate wholesaling. Now that you have leads, you need to negotiate and secure contracts. Negotiation is an art, a dance of give and take, where your goal is to reach an agreement that benefits both parties. In the realm of real estate wholesaling, negotiation skills are not just important, they're essential. And why is that? Because the price you negotiate for a property will directly impact your profit margin. The lower the price, the higher your potential profit. So, how do you become a skilled negotiator? Well, it starts with understanding the seller's position and needs. What's their motivation for selling? Are they in a hurry to sell, or can they afford to wait? Your ability to empathize and adapt to the seller's situation can help build trust and facilitate a smoother negotiation process. But negotiation is just one side of the coin. The other side is the contract. Once you've negotiated a price, it's time to put it in writing. This is where contract essentials come into play. A wholesaling contract, also known as a purchase agreement, is a legally binding document that outlines the terms and conditions of the sale. What should it include? Well, at a minimum, it must have the property description, the agreed-upon price, the closing date, and the names of the parties involved. But that's not all. It should also specify any contingencies, such as inspections or financing, and the consequences if these conditions are not met. Remember, a contract protects both parties. It provides a clear roadmap of what is expected and when. It also provides legal recourse in case things don't go as planned. Therefore, it's crucial to ensure that your contract is thorough, clear, and legally sound. So there you have it. Negotiation skills and contract essentials, two vital components of the wholesaling process. Master these, and you're well on your way to securing profitable deals. A good deal is one where both parties are satisfied. And remember, everything is negotiable. After securing the contract, it's time to find buyers and market your contracts. Building a strong buyers list is a crucial step in successful real estate wholesaling. Think of it as your golden ticket to quick and profitable sales. But how do you build this list? Well, it's all about networking. Attend real estate events, join local associations, and don't shy away from online forums and social media groups dedicated to real estate. Make connections, exchange business cards, and more importantly, listen. Understand what investors are looking for and note it down. This will form the foundation of your buyer's list. Now let's talk about marketing contracts. This is where you'll make use of your buyer's list. The aim is to present your contract in a way that appeals to potential buyers. Your contract is a product, and like any product, it needs to be packaged attractively. Remember, it's not just about the property details. It's about the potential for profit, the location advantages, and the future growth prospects. Craft an engaging message that highlights these factors. Use compelling language, but also ensure you're honest and transparent. You don't want to make promises you can't keep. You might also consider using various marketing channels. Email campaigns, direct mail, social media, and even word of mouth can be effective ways to get your contract in front of potential buyers. While you're marketing, it's also essential to continue building and updating your buyers list. The real estate market is dynamic, and so are the preferences of investors. Keep the lines of communication open with your network and always be on the lookout for new potential buyers. Your buyers list is your ticket to quick and profitable sales. By building a robust list and effectively marketing your contracts, you're setting yourself up for success in the world of real estate wholesaling. You're not just selling a contract, you're providing a lucrative opportunity. And with the right approach, you'll find buyers lining up to seize that opportunity. Before closing the deal, it's important to understand the legal considerations and manage any risks. Let's break it down. Firstly, wholesaling real estate is subject to specific laws and regulations. Compliance is critical. Familiarizing yourself with the legal landscape helps avoid costly missteps. This includes understanding the terms of the contract, property disclosure laws, and the applicable regulations in your area. It's always prudent to have a real estate attorney or a trusted legal advisor on your side to guide you through the complexities. Risk management is another essential aspect. Remember, every deal carries some level of risk. Your goal should be to anticipate and manage these risks effectively. That's where due diligence comes in. It's the process of thoroughly investigating and verifying the details of a potential deal. This includes everything from evaluating the property condition to assessing the market value and even researching the title history. Ensuring you've done your due diligence can save you from potential pitfalls down the line. Now, let's talk about closing the deal. This is the moment where all your efforts come together. It's when the property is officially transferred from the seller to your buyer. But this isn't a simple handover. It involves a series of steps, like finalizing the contract, arranging financing, and coordinating with a title company or attorney to ensure a smooth transaction. It's also the time when you collect your wholesaler's fee. Remember, the aim is to facilitate a win-win solution for all parties involved. Wholesaling real estate is a dynamic field that requires a keen understanding of the market, strong negotiation skills, and a solid grasp of the legalities involved. But the rewards can be substantial for those willing to learn, adapt, and take calculated risks. With the right knowledge and precautions, you can minimize risks and maximize profits. Now, isn't that a deal worth closing? Congratulations on closing your first deal. Now, how do you scale and grow your wholesaling business? Scaling and growing a business is a journey, not a destination. It's about making strategic decisions that propel your business forward. Let's explore some key strategies. Firstly, consider building a team. As your business grows, tasks will multiply. You can't do everything alone, and you shouldn't. Hiring a team of skilled professionals can help you manage and streamline your operations. This could include acquisition managers, dispositions managers, and administrative staff. Remember, a strong team is the backbone of a successful business. Next, let's talk about leveraging technology. In today's digital world, technology can greatly enhance your business operations and efficiency. Consider investing in a good customer relationship management system, or CRM. This can help you track and manage leads, contracts, and sales all in one place. Additionally, a good CRM can automate many tasks, freeing up your time to focus on more strategic activities. Another scaling strategy is to expand into new markets. While it's important to master your local market first, don't be afraid to explore new territories once you're comfortable with your business operations. This could mean branching out into other neighborhoods, cities, or even states. Doing so can diversify your portfolio and open up new opportunities. Lastly, investing in continuous learning and development is crucial. The real estate market is dynamic and trends can change rapidly. Staying informed about the latest market trends and best practices can help you stay ahead of the competition. Attend seminars, workshops, and webinars. Read books, listen to podcasts, and join industry forums. Never stop learning. Remember, growth is a process. Take one step at a time. It's okay to start small and scale gradually. What's important is to keep moving forward, making calculated decisions, and constantly learning and adapting. And there you have it. These are just some strategies to help you scale and grow your real estate wholesaling business. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. So, take that step today. So that's the process of real estate wholesaling, broken down into easy-to-understand steps. From the initial market research and analysis to lead generation and acquisition, each step plays a critical role in your success. You've learned about the art of negotiation and the essentials of a solid contract. We've also delved into the importance of building a buyer's list and marketing your contracts effectively. Remember, understanding legal considerations, managing risk, and mastering deal closing are key to safeguarding your investment. Finally, don't forget to strategize for scaling and growth to ensure your wholesaling business thrives. Each step is a puzzle piece, coming together to create a comprehensive picture of successful real estate wholesaling. The journey may seem complex, but with patience, diligence, and the right knowledge, you can navigate the path to success. If you'd like to learn more about personal finances, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.